Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. The substitution of a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by an alkoxy or araloxy group gives a group of compounds called ethers. We are here to write IUPAC name for the given ether CH3, CH2O, CH3, CH2, CH3. First draw the format which contain root, prefix and suffix. For prefix and suffix we have primary and secondary. Look at the structure now. So we go to find that longest parent chain. So if you go from left to right, 1, 2. So this chain only contains 2 carbon atoms. So if you go from right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number carbon chain is there. So this considers the longest parent chain. So the root word is but. Since it contains 4 carbon atoms, we are giving that root word is but, which is derived from butane. Then the suffix, here only that single bond in the parent carbon chain. So that the primary suffix is an, which shows that only single bond. The secondary suffix, there is no functional group, so that secondary suffix is absent. This is not a cyclic compound, so primary prefix cyclo, the word is absent. This ether is considered as a prefix substituents. So we can give that numbering like 1, 2. So only 2 carbon atoms are present. So this is given like ethoxy. The word is derived from ethane, ethoxy. For writing that IUPAC name, we should give that numbering. So numbering, if you start that numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, then this ethoxy group get the highest number. So if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this ethoxy group get the lowest number. So according to the IUPAC system, it should get that lowest number only. So we are giving the number like 2 ethoxy. 2 ethoxy, then butane. 2 ethoxy butane is the IUPAC name for this given compound. Thanks for watching.